Good morning. It's Totaltrader here. I'm just looking at the cable on my demo account here. Demo account is exactly the same as an ordinary account. Same price action, everything, except that you can, it's a demo. Exactly that. Now. I've traded for 15 years and just come back to it, so I'm using a demo, and the last 6 months have been quite good to me only on a demo, because you have to get this right, otherwise you've had it, you can lose your shirt. Forex trading. Anyway, pre-Brexit I took out an MT4 account with Uganda, a demo account for $1 million, and I think I've had it for 6 weeks now, and I'm 101,000 up, 101,500 up. This is the pinnacle for me of many years trading, mind you, so it's not an easy job. Having said that, I've come full circle and now realize that simplicity is the answer, and it's working very well. We're in a couple of days before Brexit. I was down. We all get tempted by things, no matter how experienced a trader you are. But earlier this month, I'm on 65,000 here. This is March, but I had some big losses. And if you're a true trader, big losses, it is mental. It's all down to mental strength, and it takes some achieving, I can tell you. So I was down, I'd lost, I think I pulled everything out, and I lost about 180,000 on one day, and went back in, and on the daily chart I saw that cable here is in a rather obvious triangle, probably descending. That's it over the broader front there, right back to May 2014. So it's been going down for a long time, the pound against the dollar. So looking at that, I traded this one down to get my money back and make a lot more. So I lost 100,000 and I got back 275,000 on that trade, leaving it in overnight. And there's my profits there for that trade. Excuse me a minute, I just have to answer this phone. Hello. Okay, I'll be there then. Yep, see you then. I'm there, yeah, I'll see you then I'll see you there about 11:30. Okay? Alright, bye. Sorry, that was me mother. Anyway, I got in on that, and there are my profits for the day: 86, 174, 250, 280,000 there about. So it put me back at 101,000 profits over about 6 weeks. Now, the general mood is that the pound will fall even further. In my view, it's a good thing. Our exports are increasing. Whether you're a Brexiteer or not, nothing wrong with increased exports. So, yesterday it went up, bounced. Today it's coming down again. And I just put a small trade in. 50p is nothing, I know. It depends on your mood, what you want to trade, you know. But even with 50p here, in the space of an hour, I've made 90 quid, for God's sake. And what made me go in on that was the fact that it seemed likely that this triangle here was coming to its end, and it was bouncing from resistance here. Price was bouncing from resistance and came down, and I just got in at 50p. Now, you can always add to a trade. That is the beauty of it. If the risk is uncertain at the beginning, and it always is, then you go in with a tiny amount. Risk management, it's essential if you don't have it. If you look on the 1 minute chart here, you see it came down through the support here, and then true to form, and you must learn this with price action, breaks down through support and then returns, and support becomes resistance. So here we have a double top, and down we go again. It's come down quite a long way, so I expect there to be a pullback. Now, it seems to have these things form trends straight away. Now, that could be a trend here. Right, so let's see what's going on here. Or similar, you know, around that. Now, this could either go on down, but it may well go up, bounce from, that was support there also, could well go up and hit support there. That support may become resistance again and bounce down. If not, it could go on up and use this as resistance, this trend line here. Time will tell. Now you can get out now, 79 quid. I think I will actually. That'll just always good to take money, because you feel as if, I mean, I know this is only a demo account, but it's exactly the same, and I am, you know, serious about this. So you know, it's always good to take money and make yourself feel better. So let's just close the trade. I'm making my account £101,575.74 quid up. I'm pleased with my progress now after, but then again it took long enough. 15 years. So I don't advise anyone to go into it lightly. And there's no easy way. But you seem to come full circle. You're back to simplicity. I work on a laptop. You don't need screens. You don't need MACD, stochastic. I've been through all that. You don't need it. You need support and resistance and knowledge of price action. And that only comes in time, unfortunately. But if you've got a good teacher, he can point you the way, a kind of guru, if you like. We'll talk again tomorrow. Good morning. We're looking here at the cable